Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download Pinterest video to your gallery. And this is quite simple. First of all, we need to find a video that we want to download. I want to download this video, so I click on that, click on the three dots just like this, and then click on copy link. Now the link got copied, and right now we go to Safari right here, and then you need to search for the website pinterestdownloader.com. I also will place this one in my description, but close the ad, and right now we want to paste the link right here. So we click on paste and then we do download. Now he's now working on our URL, so don't close this page. And right now, if you can see, here's the video. Then from now we need to click on force download video. Please click on that. And right now, if you can see, we can download the video. Now left in the bottom, the video is downloading, and right now it's finished. Click on that, click on downloads. And right now, if you tap on the video, you see that we have the video right here. Now click on the screen again, left in the bottom. From here, click on save video. And right now, if I throw this one away, go to my photos, the video got downloaded exactly just right here. Yeah, sometimes you need to search for it, but when it says recent days, then you click on that and then he will save it just right here. So this is exactly how you can do this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.